Ma'am, good morning. I and my group members are here to I and my group members are here to present a PPT. So my topic is introduction to HR manager and roles of HR manager. So first, HR manager stands for human resource manager. Human resource manager are involved with recruitment, training, career development, compensation and benefits, employee relations, industrial relations, employment law, compliance, disciplinary and grievance issues, redundancies, etc. The job involves the job involves keeping up to date with areas such as employment law, which changes often. So in other words, HRM plan, direct, and coordinate the administrative function of an organization. They oversee recruitment, interviewing, and hiring of new staff. Consult with top executive on strategic planning, and serves as a link between an organization management and its employees. Next slide, Mohit. So roles of HR manager determining there are 8 roles. They are determining the need for a new employee, looking for a right employee, application process, interview process, job training, employee development, keeping good employees, departures, dismissals, and reti- retirement. So one by one I will be explaining about the roles. 1 to 4 will be explained by me. So role one, determine the need for a new employee. Must forecast employee turnover, the rate at which employee voluntarily leave the company. Example, depends on new technology, changes in economic conditions, etc. Try to hire internally, that is from transform from one department to another department, but may have to look externally, that is from outsider to company. So role 2, look for the right employee. Write a job description, place to search for employee for application, advertise in paper, recruit from university, colleges, high school, post job and human resource development Canada, post job on online recruitment websites. Example, post jobs on company website. Use a search from, look in your files. Role 3, application process receives complete application form, receives cover letter asking for interview resumes, listing experience, education, interest, abilities, etc. So role 4, interview process. In this interview process conducted by the manager and the relevant department manager, ask questions to determine the application's personality, work habits, values, interest. Maybe many rounds of interviews, reference check conducted. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Yes, ma. Chandra Prakash,
Yes,
question to
ma'am.
you. Uh,
Yes, ma'am.
you said you can go back to the first slide, ma. Just go back to the first slide. Yeah, yes.
Yes,
Here
ma'am.
you spoke about the HR manager is involved in recruitment training, right? What
Yes,
are redundancies? You said that redundancies, etc. What do you mean by redundancies?
redundancies.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Why
The
do you?
ma'am,
Yeah, tell.
stage in which this is useful, no longer needed. The state of being not.
Come again, ma.
The state, the state of being not or no longer needed for useful,
The state of not being.
not being not or no longer needed for
No,
useful.
yes, very good. Correct. Yes, so
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
whatever
ma'am.
the things are not needed, those things which are redundant or it can be related to the employees, their skills, whatever are not needed, they try to see into that. Okay, very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, and then you said learning and development. The learning and development right now has replaced something else. What is that?
Learning, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Once again, can
Learning
you?
and development right now in organizations they call as learning and development, but actually
Yes.
in the textbook we speak about what generally development is associated with.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So it is nothing but the training and development. Now it is called as learning and development. What do you mean by training? Can you tell me that?
Training means giving training to the subordinates, ma'am, who
What
are
do you
new
mean
to
by
the force.
training? What do you mean by training? You're using the same word training. What do you mean by training? What happens when you train the employee?
The worker will do work.
Pardon, ma?
The managers will give training to the employees, ma'am. But
Yeah,
when the new employee
yeah.
recruit,
When you train them, what is going to happen?
work efficiency,
So the efficiency, it means their
the
knowledge, their
development,
skills, yeah, they'll be, the abilities will be enhanced. That is the reason
Yes,
efficiency increases. Okay, good.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, next one can present, ma. I'll just stop the presenting and then we'll start.
Thank you, ma'am.